welcome back to the Egg Bio Rooftop Garden here at the University of Saskatchewan. My name is Katie.
And I'm Joel.
And today we're going to be talking a little bit about these tomatoes here. So Joel, these tomatoes growing on this trellis and in this pot, these are the same tomato species?
Exactly the same variety.
Same seeds and everything?
Same seeds and everything.
Okay, why do they look so different?
Well, we use this tomato tunnel, to kind of let them climb, because they're a greenhouse variety, they can climb. And so these ones we pruned. We did an earlier video on pruning and getting rid of the suckers so that they grow tall and they climb.
Okay.
But then with these ones, we thought it would be interesting to see how they would do without any pruning at all.
So, correct me if I'm wrong, pruning takes away vegetative growth. So why are these ones so much smaller than these ones?
Because these ones were able to grow straight up, whereas these ones, when you let the suckers go, then they start to kind of bush out and become a bushier tomato plant.
Which is why they're thicker.
They're thicker and wider and have more stem and leaves, but they don't have as much beautiful fruit on them.
That was the other thing. Yeah. So we obviously have tomatoes over here, but definitely not as much as on these ones here. Does that also have to do with pruning then, or?
Yes, it does. Yeah. The more that you prune, the more the plant is able to put its energy into creating more fruit. So these ones, they definitely have fruit. Like this one's got maybe 15 to 20 on them, but if you take a look at over here, there's only about 6 to 8 on those. So because they had to put more energy into the plant themselves, they didn't get the big beautiful fruit set that you got over here.
Gotcha. Well, that's really interesting.
Absolutely.
Thanks again, Joel.
No problem.
Thanks for joining us.
See you later.